Hello traders, this is Forex Nelson and I'm back again today with another 7 trades. Today's date is October the 1st and I am using my Mega Scalper trading system. This system uses Heikin-Ashi candles along with the arrows here. They're called the super signal indicator, and I have some oscillating indicators down here at the bottom. Now you will get an audio sound and this pop-up box suggesting to buy and or sell. Now you'll notice on YouTube I'm only doing 2 videos a week, whereas before I used to do 5 videos. And I've been doing videos for 8 years. And the reason I got into trading 20 years ago was so I could work a lot less and make a lot more money. And I'll continue to do the videos, but not like I used to do. I'm still trading every day, as trading only takes 1 to 3 hours. As you can clearly see here, I got in before 8 o'clock and I closed out all my trades before 9 o'clock. And I am now done trading for the day. So once you learn how to trade, it doesn't take you very long. Just get in, grab the pips and ticks, close out the trades, and you have the rest of the day to do as you please. Now every morning, 6 o'clock, right where this vertical line is, I'm trading the continuation of the London session going into the New York session. And I'm looking at all the different instruments, and of course I'm looking at my daily trade plan. Once I make a decision I want to be buying and or selling, I'll manually put in this white arrow. Now here's my daily trade plan. It's running in real time, analyzing the charts from the monthly all the way down to the 30 minutes. And after it does some calculations within the comments here, it'll say look for bullish trades, bearish trades, and some of them will even be preferred. Now if you're trading without any kind of a daily trade plan, well, that's at least one good reason why you are still struggling. If you have any questions regarding this daily trade plan, well, just get in contact with me. Now let's run a check on these trades I've taken. First one at the top here was the Euro New Zealand. Okay, on this first trade, by the way, I sold most of them except for the bottom 2 here. And as far as the euro goes, I did 3 of them, and it was based on euro weakness. You can see the meter here. It was a lot less than 20%, and 20% or less, I call that a bus driver. And once you have a bus driver, well, you know it's gonna go. So that's a quick look at the meter. Told me, well, I think I'm gonna sell some euro pairs today. So let's just drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. Took the trade at this cursor, and in real time everything was looking great for shorting. The scalper was red, the daily trade plan said to sell. So here we go. Sold it there and closed the trade out. Looks like locking in 18 pips, and that paid out $120. Okay, moving on to the next trade, which is Euro CAD. Here we go. Let's drag and drop this up. Another one that dropped based on euro weakness. CAD is at the top and the euro on the meter is at the bottom here. Obviously getting in way back at this point, this arrow would have been the best, but I was sleeping at that time. And I'm not looking for a lot on each trade. But if you do 5 or 10 trades, you don't need a lot, 20 pips. It doesn't take long before you got 100 or 200 pips and or ticks every day that you're trading. Got in at this point and I closed it out here being happy. Looks like with about 20. And those 20 pips paid out $147. Okay, moving on to the next trade, which is the pound Aussie. Another one I sold it, so let's drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. Arrow from the daily trade plan, the scalper was red. Plenty of things saying to sell. There's the super signal red arrow right there. So, took the trade at that cursor and I closed it out here being happy. Looks like with 25 pips, and that paid out $179. Okay, moving on to the next trade, which is the Euro Aussie. Let's drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. So, another great trade. Arrow from the daily trade plan did qualify for a great way to trade. Arrow super signal, it's a little bit hard to see, but it's right there. So I got the arrow and I got in the trade and I closed it out here just being happy with, looks like 39 pips, and that paid out $276. Another great tool I highly recommend you get your hands on. I call it the FibMaster tool. You would just click on this tab right here with the little F there for Fibonacci. You would go from swing high to swing low. And here's your pullback. It almost hit number 2 entry. And as a general rule, as long as it hits the entries, it should hit target 2, 3, 4, or 5. And on this day, it hit target number 4. And it's only a little after 9 o'clock in the morning as I do this video. And it can hook around and keep dropping down to the ADR, which is here. And this fib tool has a grand total of 10 targets. Now, if you have any questions regarding this fib tool, well, just get in contact with me. And of course, there's some more information on this FibMaster tool right below this video. And just to let you know, it's a FibMaster full course. Comes with 30 training videos. Each video is around 20 minutes long each. And this is over 3 gigabytes of trading. Now, you could use this Fibonacci tool on any system that you have. Please keep in mind that all my systems and tools, they only work on the MT4 platform. Okay, let's move on to the next trade I did, crude oil. Now, these futures, the indexes, they move a lot more, they pay a lot more, as you can clearly see. So this one I sold it, got the arrow here for selling, the daily trade plan. Everything was looking good. Doesn't mean I'm going to get 200 ticks, but I'm going to get something, and that's all I'm aiming for. So crude oil pays $10 for each tick. So looking at the money, this should be 36. And there it is right there, 36 ticks paying out $360. Okay, moving on to the next trade, which is gold. Let's drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. Now, looking at the money, and since gold pays $10 for each tick, easy to see it should be 63. So these last 2 trades I did, I bought right here at this cursor. I ignored this arrow because just looking at the charts, I knew it was going to be just a bit of a pullback and continue on its way up. And what did I say? It should be around 63. There it is right there, 63 ticks, paying out $633. Okay, moving on to the last trade, which is the DAX 30. Okay, let's drop it down to the, well, let's drag and drop this up first of all, see where I got in at. Now on this DAX 30, it pays $3.75 for each tick. Took the money, divided by that number. Calculator says it's 400. So from there to there should be 400. Be more than likely difficult to get unless I drop it down to the 5 minutes. But hey, got lucky today. It's right on 400, and that ended up paying out $1,500. I can show you that Fibonacci tool one more time. Click on the tab, you will go from the low to the swing pivot high, which is right there. Could have used this low also. It would have worked perfect also. Here's your pullback, hit entry number 2, and on this particular day it hit target number 3 right there. So it's a great tool to have, as it actually helps you with your trading, where your entry points are, and of course where your targets are. Again, if you have any questions in regard to this fib tool, just get in contact with me. So another great day of trading using my Mega Scalper. I knew it was going to be well over 200 pips and or ticks. Grand total came to 601. And all of those pips and ticks paid out $3,217. Now if you have any questions, quite simple, just get in contact with me. And to do that, all you have to do is look right below this video in the description. You'll see all my contact information plus a lot of other information. Now you can pick up the phone and call me directly. And please keep in mind, as I hear it pretty much every week, traders saying that people are selling stuff that doesn't work. Well, in my experience after 20 years, if you're going to buy something, make sure you'll be able to pick up the phone or go on Skype and talk directly to the person who is trading the system and, of course, selling the system. At that point, you'll realize that he is not a fraud. Now, I don't really think that everybody out there is just a fraud, as it will take a lot of education. Took me over 700 systems and packages, and took me 8 years to learn how to trade. Trading is very difficult. I've been told a number of times that trading is more difficult than becoming a doctor or lawyer. So that should tell you right away that you're going to need a lot of education, and it's going to take a fair amount of time for you to learn. Now you can speed up the learning curve if you have a very good mentor, somebody that can give you and help you along your journey, which is exactly what I do. After you buy from me, I do give support. Now I've got plenty of traders who found success within 6 months to a year, but they did everything properly. If you don't do things properly, you will still fail at trading. Okay, got that out of the way. Now, of course, you can also send me an email. And, of course, I do prefer Skype. Now, all you have to do is click on the Skype link I provided below. We'll have a Skype connection, and through Skype, I'll be able to answer most of your questions. Now, of course, if you leave your name and email address, I'll put you on my email list for free weekly trading tips. You'll also see in the description 4 different packages. And remember, I told you you're going to need a lot of education. Now each package, I do charge $250. And I do have a special offer that if you buy 2 packages, I'll give you 1 package for free. That represents a 33% discount. Now, if you're looking for packages that pay a 50% discount, well, as I just mentioned to you, just send me an email, and then I can forward you different packages with different, up to a 50% discount. Well, looks like it's just about time to wrap up this video. And of course, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I had a great day of trading. As you can see, locking in 601 pips and or ticks, and you can see was a great payday. So, time to wrap up this video. And of course, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So until the next trading day and video, I want to wish you good luck with your trading and remember to keep yourself and your family safe. Okay, bye for now.